Hi, it's February 3rd and I'm here with Chris Barreau for this week's weekly update. We've got three topics for today. The first is interest rates. There was a change yesterday. The second, how hot is the market really? And the third, we're going to recap January statistics. So Chris, to kick that off, what did the Fed tell us yesterday?
Yeah, the Federal Reserve announced that they're going to be doing a 25 basis point rate increase. And then surprisingly, when rates opened this morning, the 30-year fixed rate dropped about a quarter point.
So I think when buyers hear this news that the Fed raised interest rates again, the assumption is that if I buy a house right now, I'm going to be paying more for my mortgage. That's not always the case. The Fed's news yesterday is based on confidence in the economy, which typically results in good news for long-term interest rates. Next, the market, Chris. Hot or not? We've given lots of examples in recent weeks about, property selling for over asking and competitive offer situations. Is that across the board?
No, it's happening in about 25 to 30% of the market. And kind of what it comes down to is having a nice property in the right segment, marketing it correctly, and then pricing it appropriately for the whole package.
Yeah, with interest rates being up a little bit, buyers aren't buying everything, but there's still plenty of them out there. And they're going after the nicer properties on the market that are priced most appropriately. Now to recap January statistics. So this is single-family sales and condo sales in Dane County for the month of January, as well as the number of listings and so on that we saw. So first, we saw 330 new listings hit the market in the month of January, compared to 501 last January. So that amounts to a 34% decrease in what we saw compared to what we saw last year for new listings or inventory coming onto the market, which is part of what's driving the competitive offers that we've been seeing. Next, in January, we saw 262 closings, and that's down from 402 closings in the month of January last year, which is also not exactly, but basically a 34% decrease in closings.
Wow.
Chris, what do you think that did to sale prices?
It's got to be up, right?
Yep, so average sale price for January was $430,000, and that is up 12% from $382,000 last year, which is good news for the market. I think everybody wants to see prices continue to head in the right direction. So that's our vibe on the market for this week. Stay tuned for more next week. Thanks for tuning in.